Here's this interesting trending app called Google Opinion Rewards. So this is not some kind of scam app. This is this is app from Google. This app claims to pay you for answering surveys. There are dozens, hundreds of apps like that, but this app seems to be from Google, and they literally they wouldn't risk to scam people or anything. So if you look into how to earn some few bucks here and there, I definitely recommend you to give a try to this app instead of going for some third party apps. Your opinions, get paid to share them with Google Opinion Rewards app. You answer quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey via your PayPal account. Surveys typically take less than 20 seconds. You will receive a notification when a short survey is waiting for you. These surveys include everything from opinion surveys to hotel and product reviews to location-based merchant satisfaction surveys. When you take a survey using Google Opinion Rewards, your answers are aggregated and shared with the market researcher who wrote the survey questions. So this app, it seems it has 160,000 plus ratings, and it has pretty high average rating, which is quite cool. And then let's just open it up. And then I just wanna, for example, I just wanna sign in, and let's see what happens here. I can just turn on notifications. Why does it redirect me here? And it asks a lot of permissions, and then it sends payouts from $2. You can see your reward history. It's this app has very similar outline for all other Google apps, so you don't need to spend time on onboarding and all of that. That's what it is. But for some reason, I don't have any surveys. Complete your profile to receive more surveys, which can earn you more rewards. So that's where you just can complete your profile, and then you can just kind of complete. Maybe it's just okay, so it's only available in Canada, Germany, UK, and US. That's what it is.